I'm Spud Murphy, a member of the Industry Technical Council, with an update on mixing imperial and metric air fittings. Throughout our work, the ATA has been alerted of instances where newly purchased fittings and airlines have failed to seal correctly. These installations have leaked excessively and, if undetected, could cause serious problems on the road, such as unintended activation of emergency braking systems. The Australian market typically uses imperial sizes of airlines and fittings, while metric fittings have become more broadly available through parts networks that support European models. Confusion and mismatching can arise due to the similarity of airlines and fittings, but are not exactly equivalent in size. So, what's the solution? Ensure workshop staff review the size printed on the airline before selecting fittings. Keep imperial and metric fittings and airlines separate. Label your stores correctly and educate your workshop staff of the differences. For more information, view the technical bulletin at the ATA website.